top of some fat guy. That's how they live. That's how they live. And a lot of people did live. As much as people died, hundreds of thousands of people lived. Hundreds of thousands of people lived. And the fucking ironic thing is if we want these fucking hurricanes to stop coming, we have to stop warning people. We have to let nature do her job. She's trying to tell us that there's too many of us. She used to kill us with plagues, used to take us down with tuberculosis. We eradicated all of that. No, it's not been a good thing, sir. It's been a bad thing. Look, those diseases. Now you can't get anywhere. Yeah, you only lived for 30 years back then, but you'll spend 50 years in traffic now. Right? Just sit there like, fucking go! Just go! Then you can ride the open plains. You can go to a new town. You can fucking murder 400 fucking people and ride to a new town and just change your name. What's your name? Eddie? Eddie? Whole new fucking identity. No one can track you. And these fucking storms, they just lined up. Like planes at fucking LAX. You know? Just one after another. Because we keep... The fucking Weather Channel keeps ratting out Mother Nature. Just won't let her do her fucking job. And just take a good chunk out. The buildings and the property are still going to be there. You understand? The guns are still going to be there. You can always rebuild the city, but wouldn't it be nice, you know, to hang your arm out the window and just cruise around everywhere?